Hello from Permaculture Farm. We'll talk about broad forking today. So why would you need to broad fork your garden? Well, for one, it helps to improve drainage. It helps to improve aeration. It lets the air and the water get further down into the soil. So I've already broad forked this piece out here. I've already broad forked this bed, and it's the ground is wet right now because we've had some rain, but if you can see, it's pretty sandy. And you would think, oh, sandy soil means it'll drain well. Well, not quite the case here. So the soil here will hold on to water longer than what would be expected. So I have to broad fork once a year or so, and to help the water move through the soil and to help the air get down, and it helps improve the overall health and structure of the soil. And if it wasn't so cold right now, I'll say cold, it's 50 something right now, I'd have found some earthworms, but no earthworms. So how do you use a broad fork? Well, these things are pretty simple. They've got these long tines. They've got these long tines right here. So these are about 1 foot long. And all you really have to do is, doing this one-handed, so bear with me, is you get it set where you want it to go. This works a whole lot easier when the ground is wet like this. And you put your weight on it. So normally I'll just stand on it with both feet and wiggle it down like that. And then after that, you pull it back. You pull it back just to about this point. You don't want to flip the dirt over. You just want to crack it open, and you see how far down that goes. See this big old chunk of dirt? But now all of this is open. So that means more air, more water, more compost will work its way down in there. If you have a good organic liquid fertilizer, or even a solid fertilizer, will work its way down in there. And now you just pull this out, and boom, you move on to the next spot. I usually do this roughly about 1 foot apart, and then we'll just step on it again, climb on this thing, wobble it down, pull it back like so, and boom, there you go. No further than that. And then you just repeat the process all the way down your garden bed. In this case, this bed is 100 foot long. So that is how you use your broad fork, and the benefits. You really only have to do this at most once or twice a year. Really should only have to do it but once a year. And you will get to the point where, as you improve your soil health, you may only have to do this in trouble spots where you see signs of compaction, you see signs that water is ponding. But other than that, broad forks are an easy tool to use and really important when it comes to building the health and structure of your soil. So if you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe. Here at Permaculture Farm, we really want to show people the benefits of regenerative agriculture, and show people that it's not that hard. It just takes time and a little elbow grease, and then you will be able to build your health from the soil up. Questions, comments, leave them below. We do our best to answer every question that comes in. So, see you in the next video.